Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Perplexity AI for writing essays. Perplexity AI serves as a powerful answer engine that combines searches with generative AI. So what you want to do is launch open Perplexity, and here before you research and source discovery, you want to make sure to click onto or open up of or toggle on a focus mode. And then what you want to do is next, to write an essay, you just want to go ahead and draft and refine. That means summarize your source material. You can upload PDF or or exact code related to specific point as well. You could also paste a draft paragraph and ask for improvement. You could then rewrite this for a more formal academic tone as well. And if your essay compares two theories or even tasks, Perplexity to create a table comparing with sources cited as well. Now here what you could do is just type in the prompt what you actually want to go ahead and write an essay for, and accordingly you could also go ahead and instruct what sort of tone you'd like to use and all that. And that is how you should be able to use Perplexity AI for essays. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.